Once there was a poor little boy. His name was Ali. He loved to paint. He had a dream to paint on canvas using beautiful colors. Since he was poor, his parents couldn't afford to buy him canvas and colors. He used to draw on simple papers. Once he had an art competition in his school. He drew a boy painting on canvas with a smiley face. His drawing was announced as the best drawing. He was gifted a canvas and beautiful colors. At last, his dream was fulfilled and he started to paint on canvas using beautiful colors. Moral: let's do what we love, and do a lot of it.